amazing? Can you believe this? We're going to be doing this till the end of the year. Today is Monday, April 20. We'll be doing May 20. No practicing for graduation, no field trips, no going to Great America. Oh well, we're going to make the best of it. We're going to do this. It's going to be great. We're going to have lots of fun. So, new week, it's Monday, new attitude. We're in this for the rest of the year. Okay, guys. So, let's talk about today. Your schedule for the day. First off, I want you to turn in your Elizabeth Eckford primary source before noon today if you want to get credit for it. We're going to have a live lesson on this afternoon. So I want everybody to come prepared for the lesson, and that means you need to have read the story about Elizabeth Eckford, and then we can talk about it. Second, I want you to watch the Edpuzzle video on the Greensboro sit-in. This is the first sit-in for young African American men in Greensboro. Came into a Woolworths, sat down at the lunch counter, and what happened? It's going to just spawn all kinds of sit-ins at other lunch counters, and some of them are going to become very violent. And so if you're interested in learning a little bit more about these sit-ins, just Google this or go to YouTube and write sit-ins during the civil rights movement. And there's so many. I had a hard time picking which one. So yeah, you might want to watch some of those. I mean, they burn these people with their cigarettes. They poured hot coffee on them. They poured itching powder. They dumped ketchup bottle. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And there's a movie out there called The Butler, and it talks about how African Americans trained for this. You just didn't go and sit at a lunch counter without being prepared. They practiced having people do this to you so that you could remain nonviolent. I just wonder how many people couldn't make it. Yeah. So anyway, The Butler, it's really a good movie. You might want to talk to your folks if you want to watch it first. Okay, check your calendar. Show up for the Google Meet this afternoon. I look forward to seeing all of you. Going forward, this is going to be a repeating Google Meet. We're going to have live classrooms every Monday and every Wednesday afternoon. That's the SOCH time for live classroom. This week will be different because I have a meeting, so I can't post the times just yet. But and then it will change the following Wednesday again. But going forward, we're going to be on a pretty consistent schedule now. So I look forward to getting your Elizabeth Eckford. Come with it, and then we'll have a discussion. See you later, guys.